Hi, this is Kiran, the founder of Edu Reformers. Nowadays, if you see that the parents are worried about the child, they have the doubt that how his child will be capable for to face the future challenges. There are so many challenges, some technical challenges, then the life challenges and all that. So they are worried what to do. So his that particular child will be capable for to face these challenges. Again, the teachers, they are just doing the hard effort. They are just teaching to the student with bottom of heart. They are just putting proper dedication. Still there is a gap, and the most important thing that the students are facing, that they are just fear about the syllabus, curriculum and all that. They just recall the things only and not understanding the concept. So why after exam they just forget everything? So here now we are there to help teachers, parents and the student, that we are just building the gap in between all of them, that we are going to educate, we are going to help to the student and the teachers and the parents how to learn the concept, how to teach rather than what to teach. What to teach, the teachers knows very well, the schools are knows very well. They are just qualified, they have been taken graduation degree, they have PhD holder and all that. So they are much more clever than us, they are much more capable than us, but we are not giving any philosophy that how to teach and all that. We are the practical solution. We are just giving the visualization ideas, the real-time use, and how it will be useful in your real life. We are just trying to connect the dots. So I just request you to book our just demo class in your school, so you will come to know how much it will be useful to the student, also to the school. And I'm definitely sure about this, that the parent will also be satisfied about this. And just give me a call, we will book a demo class. And then, so what we are actually doing, let me explain that. See, there is a mathematical theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, which is a very boring subject. Mathematics itself is a boring subject. All the students thinks about this. Even though I was in the secondary age, that time I also feel that why I'm just studying the mathematics. But it was just it was my mistake that I didn't thought about that, why I have not analyzed that why I'm learning, and I never think about that mathematics is also, mathematical will be also interesting subject. So if you are studying, you have to think about. So see, Pythagoras Prameya. So the teachers came into the classroom and they just starting to teach that particular theorem, that hello student, we are going to learn today that the mathematical theorem, that is a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras was one of the scientists who have been just found that
invented that theorem. So we are going to learn that. So Pythagoras.
Just imagine that if there is a fire into the building, and the fire brigade is just going to help that. So fire brigade van just reached at that building, and he just try to help the people. So the fire brigade people wants to enter into the building. Building is just see 100 it's 30 meter in height and 20 meter in depth, in length. So just calculate how much long the ladder is required there. So how can you find this? So for to finding this, we need a Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem then? Pythagoras theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square. It means the length of the ladder can be calculated by the square of length and the plus square of height. You will come to know the length of the ladder. This is very simple method. It can be also visualized with the story and in real time use. So Pythagoras theorem is applicable everywhere. Whatever you are going to build, there is a requirement of Pythagoras theorem. So if we try to teach with the example, with the story and the visualization, the student just understand the things very rapidly and never forget, because they just understood the concept, not only recall the things. So I request to the teachers, to the parents and the student, you just simply call me and just get connect with us. We are going to launch our website soon. Just go there and just click. Thank you.